These mountains look completely painted. But drill a core sample and the rainbow goes 5 miles deep. Long before modern geology, ancient Chinese myth believed heaven had spilled its sacred 5-colored stones right here. In ancient Chinese mythology, when the pillars of heaven collapsed, a goddess melted 5-colored stones. High above the clouds, inside a celestial forge of white jade and bronze, raw minerals burned in sacred flames. Cinnabar red, ochre yellow, malachite green, and lapis blue, swirling together to mend the broken sky. The glowing essence was poured into the firmament, sealing the heavens with ribbons of celestial light. None of this ever happened. Yet, as the legend goes, divine sparks and molten powder spilled over the edge of the terrace, raining down into the mortal realm. And in the arid wastes of northwestern China, an entire mountain range rose, striped in those exact 5 colors. This is Zhangye, where rainbow-colored hills ripple across the horizon like waves of pure silk. For over 500 square kilometers in Gansu province, the earth is painted in vivid stripes of crimson, amber, and sea green. Under the rising sun, the landscape looks unreal, as if a painter tipped an infinite palette across the desert. Yet not a single drop of dye created these hills. The colors are written into 100 million years of stone. During the Cretaceous period, over 100 million years ago, this entire region was a vast inland lake basin. As mountain streams carried gravel and sand into the basin, minerals settled into flat, alternating horizontal layers. The secret to the rainbow is iron, and how the atmosphere transformed it over millions of years. During hot, dry eras with abundant oxygen, iron oxidized into hematite, coating the quartz grains in rich, rusty reds. When water levels rose and oxygen grew scarce, anaerobic conditions turned the iron into siderite and chlorite, depositing deep celadon and greenish-gray mudstones. During mild transitional climates, goethite minerals crystallized, layering the sediment with radiant ochre and golden yellow. For 80 million years, these colored sediments rested flat beneath the surface. Then the colossal collision of tectonic plates that built the Himalayas rammed into the continent from the south. The massive pressure crumpled the horizontal layers, folding and tilting the stone beds up to 60 degrees. Over millions of years, torrential seasonal rain and desert winds carved away the overlying crust. This differential erosion sliced open the tilted rock, exposing the vertical cross-sections of the subterranean rainbow directly to the sky. The ancient stories claim the gods spilled their sacred paint upon the earth. The truth is far grander. The earth recorded its own climatic heartbeats in cycles of iron and stone, then tilted them upward for the world to see. A testament of deep time, where ancient chemistry carved a masterpiece in the desert.